My sir, my see Blackstars, no. I would like to say, sir, and as I want to say, sir. Andrea saw money time my Facebook page before Blackstars game on Wednesday. I told you guys to say Thursday, when show me page, me and my personal page, I'll put the score line there. Me catch them say Egypt will win, Blackstars will win. So what to cha. So I trap bet or soccer swatcha. I be me catch say a draw game. But I will say, encourage me chat bet no. Mo amateur. Mo share that new soccer. Mo share that new bet. You dey cha. 90s near started cha. Your DFS lotto, your DFS 20 Ghana 2000 lotto, 1992, and your DFS lotto. Inti any catch a chance about your GD. Your Tiana see a catch a chacha be say, into me page me try say Blackstar win, Egypt win. I said it's a drawn game because my shabby team, and I'm in the team to my. And there's one statement, Blackstar players in Ubia Kasai after the game. Me say Kudus Kasa, good job Kudus. Why are there? He spoke as a team player in his post-match interview. He spoke as a team player. He basically did not blame anybody. He credited his team for helping him score the goal. That's how it's supposed to work. But there's one particular player who made a statement I really respect. Salisu. He says, we win together and we lose together. Sometimes people make mistakes. Sometimes Salisu can make a mistake. Kudus Nangaza can make a mistake one day. Another 80 more Ghana, more politics or Blackstar hono. Eka se and a player we nya de akwa bi na so eye port bi na di Blackstar ichi no so my friend say sa boy bi na so support no wo nya dwuma bia aban ba na mo skere de what na play mu so afoka no akwa kugina Blackstar o su kukuo hwinim so o support Blackstar now no last work can sem and a player we and a abediba and a mumie no free team no o twen ye so just obetuma abo yes, I just see 4 posts go to the mabo. Me 4 posts to the mabo. So selective kind of way nya de no munja sam kwasha ke kame hu girl be on Facebook and the coach is so bad. Coach is so abon and the nyina enim. And the suddenly obi aye coach or Ghana and away free mu na edi we be shemu and coach na nim the players and how his players can perform at a point. Coach na bon ye nyina enim. But at the end of the day, we are there. We can't do anything about it. At the end of the day, we have to play the game. At the end of the day, players are no. So what should we do? Moje nse mo nkwa na munim bo mu Ghana. Na mo de mani esi players bi ho, mo pese mo kana mo bu o mabem. Players we no untumi mbu o mabem. Omo amotan omo no, omo experience chain bebre omo wom. And there you Kudus abaso. Today when you listen to people, some celebrities, oh Kudus, oh yes, it's nice, it's good. Nanseya na de ayo osie kon ho nanseya na enche bia o. Nanseya ni ase de ayo wa be replace the papa of Blackstar. Nanseya Jordan ayo we nanseya ende de ayo ye befuo ende de ayo onye the papa ende de ayo wasa. De ayo di 17 na okoje cap no on di 17 still meboa. De ayo di 17 o se 20 okoje cap no still are only 20 na on board we obobo 20 years na. Ade na mo ye Ghana fo mo nye ni papa sa. Adena munye ni papa sa. Adena munshada nshade without being so diabolic. Munshade with open mind. Why? The coach brought on a player. We need the points. Coach no reason to the player ne buy. Coach ni player be their character and how committed they are to a game. Coach no any player ni be mu no hu say mistake na player na here no enye deliberate mistake. Boy na anya deliberate me. Wa anya na adwo say bebe magana kwahye Ghana na no aye there. That wasn't his intention. The boy na over pitch, so he was coming to help Ghana for Ghana to score. That's how it is. So waba now I am mistake. Now coach said no. I know the psyche of this player. I know how he's committed. In fact, to be very fair, I think it would be better to take him off because they go now boy and they buy and then they know person or you know. On to me yebium. Psychologically in football, all these things are part of it. So coach withdraws a player. And like I say, because of this particular mistake, because the player knows how important this game is to another player, no. And to why is that mistake now? It will affect the guy. Coach said, but China means will be able to replace one. That's how it works. Then you're sorry, you're nimbo. Yet I just say abedi mano, so ma bedi a girls so ma bedi a yunumo. Ya shabo na yantiasi na abedi ba na abedi mba. Dia na abedi pele di ayamo. Abedi pele ya onamwe. Kwame lefty abedi pele. And then on the ayamo Ghana for. Ono ne kasa de ma ho nyefe. Ono ne kasa de ma ho bobo. Ade da ben na be di pele aso bi nsa o Blackstar se mama ne mfredi de ayo ana se eye Jordan ayo. Da ben. And your national team there, na esi wona and the way player baako obia ehele no sa player na or experience a chance sa abedi ni Jordan ana. He doesn't. And I'm not going to mention names. He doesn't. But it is good for these young players to learn from these guys. They came to meet in the team. It is good for them to understand without them. And yeah, Jordan, are you a attack here, a lock here, or follow up? Emma born by born and I'll be go share. Why are you people not talking about the move Jordan made? And then when the ball was even taken from him, he did not stand there to hold his waist. He followed up. And that interception from Jordan, and I got a star boy in more but two. And then I end bomb, you did Jimmy, your tribe near the day, echo ball musa. I didn't try. I'm in tough one, the Blackstar sitting the 90% in tough war. The only time I'm tough for Ghana, I'm relevant. Hey, am I any come for a time and I pay Manako Bonquasi Abo Akoshe? That is the only time you're recognizing tough war. Yan percent for bedia so and some tap for ko kwase adwuma wo eye Cote d'Ivoire kwaje cap mbro obeja you people sit there kwase someone am say team no and abedimba that bend no because he let me by say Jordan are you with your bribe my friend Blackstar any coach in Ghana your best friend so here the Blackstars coach no coach can overlook Jordan Ayew. No coach. Echa unye coach. Oye lotto forecaster bi ne kofa obaye. No coach. And it is about time that thing is sunk in your head. And there are some good players in the Blackstars. I won't take it away from them. This is a collection of players, young players. Yeah, ebimu krapa afeno mu piki. And ya turn South Africa Beboma Blackstar. It is not easy. Majority of the boys on Blackstar team, no young players. We have one of the young teams. Our AFCON. You don't expect them to play like Mani. You don't expect them to be playing like the Cameroonian team. These are experienced players. These are young boys who have decided, say, this big stage, we will do our best. Mistakes at this level, it's in soccer. At this level, mistakes, will be beer. So I didn't know. Den pa na mo pe o Blackstar wa de bia na mo picky names na mo picky name de bia mo hwe edin a entatare hono na mo tata ho e che tedi ni kofa Yesu eni bremo. You are the people destroying the game. Mo shada mo ni da ho na mo say Blackstars no Jimmy sa na de Ghana Jimmy sa me say no coach on earth and ebe Blackstars adwuma Jordan Ayew da ho bobo obeka obe drop no ana dede Ayew obe drop no you dey lie no coach. You know why? The quality they carry with all due respect to Blackstar players, 90% of the boys on the field, they don't carry it. There are some players, they stand at one place, they are waiting for pass to score, and it is not like they are selfish. That is how they play. When you look at Lionel Messi on target, but every space Messi sees or the to the trim, or him said this defender goes back. Anytime he's going back, he's slow. Or said this defensive pairing, they are not compact. So the more the ball is going on or Coban, he's weighing his options. He's looking at his surroundings, and the move by Messi is a goal. And it been as Kudus, Kudus does not fall back like the way Jordan Ayew is 90% of the time going back and forth. But it does not mean a Kudus nimbo. But that is every player and what they are made of. Chance say be a Kudus benyan in now it will take Jordan 2 times to score. So obeying the qualities, Kudus cannot fall back like the way Jordan is falling back. And it does not mean a Kudus nimbo and I say Kudus nimbo and Jordan. It's a team obey on the speciality. And you people don't understand the game. Go and watch the heat map of the Blackstars. First game and second game. Natural players are almost defending, even they are attacking players. Players who fall back to help their colleagues. I'm a sports journalist. Jimmy TV so I'm a sports journalist. Look at the game. Just forget about Mempe Weyasem. Look at the game. Mistakes cost us. That's fine. They will learn from it. But who said that is the end of the Blackstars? They might not win the trophy, but they are showing, at least for a very long time, we did not see Blackstar players who are committed. But today we are seeing players who are committed.